Hello everyone, today we'll delve into two key applications of the A6Rs series in speed control mode.
The A6Rs series is designed to support the analog control mode. I will demonstrate how to utilize a potentiometer for speed adjustment of the A6 servo motor in speed control mode. A logical flow diagram of the procedures is provided in the technical documentation. For the DB44 interface, the connection configuration specifies pins 15, 19, and 20 as defined in the wiring reference table. Panel configuration steps set C point 00001 to activate the speed control mode. CO3.2001 analog control mode. CO411 is one enabled. Next, we will detail the procedures for configuring internal multi-segment speed settings within the speed control mode of the A6 servo motor. The parameter codes are displayed in the demonstration footage, and their values can be calibrated based on real-world application requirement. This concludes all content presented in this video. For any feedback or suggestions, please visit our website to contact us. Thank you for watching.